Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and claim Sephora birthday gift. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and just without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what I would suggest you guys to go ahead, open up your browser, or you can simply go ahead open up your Sephora app as well. We're gonna go to our search bar and type in sephora.com. We'll tap in this go option. And once we are done, we will simply be able to this official website of our right. So we want to claim our Sephora birthday gift. So what do we have to do is you see this option called free shipping on all orders when you join Beauty Insider. Go ahead, tap on it. This will ask you to sign up now. Once you have tapped on it, you will have to create your account which associates with Beauty Insider campaign of Sephora, because that basically allows with the policy in it that nobody can deny, is that within the policy you can actually claim your free birthday gift from Sephora stores within the year of your birthday. So even if it's past or if it's upcoming, you can go ahead and claim it because it's within the year of your birthday. So that is it. So this is the trick for you guys. And if any store owner or store worker comes and claims that you can actually put out this policy trick, and they will let you have it because it's written and it's allowed once you have agreed to terms and conditions and create your account with. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.